Hey everyone! Ever dreamed of turning your YouTube passion into a paycheck? You're so close. Hitting those eligibility milestones for the YouTube Partner Program is a huge accomplishment. But what comes next? Let's quickly break down the application process so you know exactly what to expect. First, you'll need to review and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. This is basically the rulebook for making money on the platform. Next, you'll set up or connect an AdSense account. This is how you'll actually get paid. After that, it's the waiting game. Your channel will go into a review queue where real human reviewers check to make sure your content follows all of YouTube's monetization policies. This can take a few weeks, so be patient. Once you're approved, congratulations. You can start turning on ads and exploring other monetization features. It sounds simple, and it is. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.